Hey, welcome to Simple Tech. Today video I'll be showing you how to factory reset your phone, which is actually a Samsung J3 Prime. So going to start off, we're going to go to settings. Okay, so after going to settings, we're going to scroll down to the bottom where you see about device. Once you click on about device, you can scroll down to the bottom again where you'll be seeing the option to reset device. You could go ahead and click on reset device. Okay, after clicking on reset device, you'll be seeing more than one option to reset your device, such as reset settings, reset network settings, or factory data reset. We'll be clicking on factory data reset to remove everything from the phone. Okay, so after clicking on the factory reset option, you'll be seeing different stuff as personal information. You can scroll down to the bottom where you'll be seeing the option in blue to reset the device. Once you click on reset, the phone will go in a reboot mode and then it will automatically be reset, and you could just go ahead and wait. But for this video, I will not be clicking on that reset option, seeing that I don't want to reset this phone.